Let's face it, life isn't the way that it used to be. We traded landlines and snail mail for digital lives and email, right? Everything that we do is online now. As a result, we need a place to save all of our files, whether that be Google Drive, OneDrive, Mega, or you built your own NAS maybe. How awesome would it be if you could connect all of your cloud drives into one single user interface? Be pretty cool, right? This is where MultCloud comes in, a website designed to house all of your clouds in one singular location. It's pretty sweet. Gone are the days of having to log into Google and then use your drive there, and then log into OneDrive. Use your drive there. Log into Mega. Use your drive there. MultCloud allows you to keep all of your clouds right there on their website. This video is being made in partnership with MultCloud, kind of. They might provide me with a premium account and do a collaboration on social media, but they reached out to me and asked if I wanted to create a video on their service. Now, I was not instructed to provide any specific feedback on the service, and all the opinions in this video described are wholly my own. I use cloud storage a lot, and I mean a lot. Whenever I shoot B-roll on my iPhone, I save it to my Google Drive right away so I could access it on my computer. I use OneDrive for Microsoft files, YouTube scripts, and some video files as well. And I use my NAS to back up all of my YouTube videos, done or not, all of my thumbnails, everything like that, and just create shares on my local network so me and my wife can share files together. Now, is it hard to open all of these sites individually and just go to them? No. But I can't lie that MultCloud has been extremely convenient for the last 4 days that I've been using it. It's a pretty cool service. Any B-roll shot on my iPhone goes into my Google Drive, but then immediately I can view it, and should I want to, I can take that B-roll and I can move it over to my OneDrive, or I can move it to my Mega, or I can back it up directly to my NAS from there. Now, it should be worth noting that the free version of MultCloud allows for 5 gigabytes of data per month transferred between your clouds. But it shouldn't cost any data transfer at all to you to just link up all your clouds in one area and be able to view everything off to the left. I'm sure I'll have B-roll in this video as well, showing off the service. I do believe that your data only charges to that 5 gigs per month if you're transferring data between your clouds. For example, if you were going to transfer a video file from Google Drive to OneDrive, in that case, I would think that it would charge to your 5 gigs per month. For those of you that do want to transfer data, there are several things that you can do. You can create transfer tasks. You can have users and groups with permissions to view your specific MultCloud, and if they have permissions to view that specific share, you can actually create task shares so that they can view those files that you are sharing out to them specifically. You can create sync tasks to make sure that all the files that you're putting into your drives are constantly in sync with MultCloud, and you can create backup tasks to force your clouds to back up to another location or to another cloud. You can also create remote tasks, which I'm not too sure what that is, and I haven't looked too deep into that one because that's not my use case for it. But overall, the design is simple, it's modern, it's sleek, it's easy. And I'm able to back up all of my clouds directly to my NAS. Super, super simple. Think about a NAS. I have all my files in all these different cloud drives, but then I can create a task that forces all these cloud drives to back up right to my FTP server on my home network, on my NAS. It's pretty sweet, right? That does breach into the 5 gigs per month that you would get with the free version of this service. Now, the free version suits my needs perfectly, and it could suit your needs perfectly too, but depending on what you need it for, there are several options out there for you. But the service is perfect for combining all of your clouds into one single location. Guys, that's the video. If you liked it, like it. Subscribe to stay up to date on all my latest content, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.